wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the year for Sephora's Fragrance for All event, and because this video is sponsored by Sephora, and because I have been recently telling you guys 10 things of different categories that you should take with you in 2025, let me tell you some of the fragrances that I think you need to take with you in 2025 that you can get during this event. Okay, so if you did not know, Sephora is having their Fragrance for All event again. It is where you get 20% off full-size fragrances from the 16th to the 24th, Christmas Eve. I will let you know the code and all the other specifics at the end, but let's just get right into the fragrances that I would recommend and fragrances that I will be taking with me into the new year. First up, I'll be taking all of my Kayalis, because y'all know I don't play when it comes to Kayali fragrances, but there are two, especially for this time of the year, just screams very, not just winter, but also the holidays. Of course, Thanksgiving is already passed, but Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, the type of holidays where you're around friends, you're around family, and even from what you're watching on TV, the vibes are just very cozy, very let's bake cookies. First up, Kayali's Yum Pistachio. And another thing I love about Kayali is what the name says is what you're going to get. Smells like pistachio, but again, sweet, nutty, but not nauseating type of scent that you can wear throughout the day. This is literally one I could wear in the morning, I could wear at night, and I think every fragrance I'm going to talk about in this video pairs really well with other fragrances, which is one of the reasons why I like them, because y'all know I like wearing more than one fragrance at a time. And then the other one, which mind you, these two together, is vanilla. I told y'all the vanilla 28 from Kayali is just, it smells exactly like vanilla extract. So if you like how that smells and you want something that smells exactly like that, this is one of the more so like true like vanilla extract vanillas that I have, because y'all know I have a lot of them. This one, again, I would wear this anytime throughout the day. Mixing it with other fragrances mixes very well. You can see I like her. But these two together during the winter, literally the ultimate lifetime movie. Up next, y'all know I have gotten into the Glossier fragrances. I recently got the Vanilla You. I told y'all, you see a lot of vanilla in here. It's more so of a like woodsy vanilla, which again, I think is great for winter, this holiday season. However, it's giving nothing beats the original. I actually tried the original in the solid form, and I would also recommend the solid form as well. The solid form you could put on and then put your fragrance on top of it. I'm telling you, chef's kiss, you are going to smell good the entire day. But I also told y'all 2024, I definitely got more into floral fragrances, and those florals that are just, they give fresh, they give spring, they give garden, not flower store. There is a difference. Also mixes really well together, but just very feminine, very flirty, girly. That's the vibe that I'm going for. I like a little masculine dripped in there every now and then, but this has definitely been my vibe lately. Up next, Forever Mood's I Am Her. Hard to get. The yellow one was originally my favorite out of these, but once I was able to actually smell the red velvet in this one, I like it because it's kind of like the best of both worlds, kind of like what I was just saying, that I still get that sweetness girly with the red velvet out of this, but that oud in here gives that like smoky, sexy, little masculine type vibe, and the mix together, this is definitely like a date night, girls night out, or just like fancy type of occasion. You know, you want heads to turn, you want people to smell you like, yep, that is me. Just any type of party, get together or something like that. You can of course wear this during the day, but I'm just telling y'all the vibes that the fragrances give me and like what time of day where I would wear it to. Now, I've already said this a couple times and I still get comments of people being surprised by that, but you can get ponytail at Sephora. And I have most of the fragrances that she's come out with. You can also get the mod fragrances at Sephora. One smells like flowers, the other one smells very vanilla-y. Again, very light, flirty enough. You can mix them together. You can wear them separately. These, I had to think about it for a second. I think I could do this nighttime, daytime, really wherever I'm going. But I usually pick them up more during the day, just, you know, I'm getting ready to film or I'm just going to the gym, something like that. And for the amount that you get and the packaging, all that, her fragrances are definitely more on the affordable side, so can never be mad at that. Now, my favorite unisex fragrance, LIBRE Intense from YSL. I have smelled the regular LIBRE. It also smells good. I do also have the like next version of the Intense, the one that comes in the silver packaging. This one is my favorite. This is unisex, smells great on women, smells great on men. It gives you that nice balance, even though it is a floral. It's like, again, that fiery, sexy type floral that, yeah, that's me over here. And when I smell it on a man, yeah. Now I'm not finna share it, but it's nice, man or woman. Up next, y'all know how I feel about Tom Ford fragrances, but this is the time of year to break out Lost Cherry by Tom Ford. I do feel like a lot of cherry fragrances smell the same. So Seven Virtues also has a like cherry fragrance. It smells pretty similar to this, and you know, if you're looking at the price difference and that's the one that you can go for, go ahead and get that one. You'll get something pretty similar. But since I have it, this is the time of the year for me to break out Lost Cherry. Again, just gives very winter vibes. Definitely a more so daytime fragrance for me. Would I say it's unisex? It could be. I think it could be. I think most of his fragrances could give unisex. Not so much this one though. And the last two, I love how I said 10 and then I just talked about multiple at the same time. So I'm not even really sure what number this is at this point, but commodity fragrances. First up, Commodity Milk. Very milky vanilla. That's why I'm like, yeah, I got a lot of vanilla in here, but they're all different. I can say that. I don't think any of my vanilla fragrances smell the same to each other. This is a much more milkier, lighter vanilla, but again, still sweet. Definitely more like I mixed her during the daytime. Again, like quick running errands type scent. You could mix this, but if I was going to mix this to wear at night, I would wear it with something a lot stronger, maybe even a little bit more masculine of a scent to mix with this one at nighttime. But you can wear it either way. Absolutely, like literally one of my favorite vanilla fragrances. And then very recently, I got introduced to a Commodity Gold. This is the little travel size, and I like this one. You know those fragrances, it just screams luxe, it screams rich, and it's like, how do you smell rich? I don't know, but that's what you be smelling like when you spray certain fragrances. And it's not about the price tag on it, it's the vibe that it gives once you spray it. I don't know if it's the gold commodity in it, that just everything about it just screams very luxe, but a much more luxe, floral, grown, sexy fragrance. Mixing these two together, again, that's what, like, I would mix milk with gold because gold just adds in that extra that extra intensity with the milk that you're going to smell good. It's going to turn heads. All right, y'all, so those are the fragrances that I would recommend checking out during this event and that I will personally be bringing into 2025. A little information about this event. Everything that I talked about will be listed in the description down below. Easy access for you to go ahead, shop for yourself. The event is in store and online at Sephora and Sephora at Kohl's. Now, of course, you have to be part of the Sephora Beauty Insider program to shop during this event. So if you are not, I will also have a link for you to sign up in the description down below. Now, some brands are excluded, but you will use the code fragrance20 so that you get 20% off full size fragrances. You can get free same day delivery, which will run from the 15th to the 24th. You know, if you need last minute, because baby, we are counting down the days till Christmas, you would use code GIFTS now so that you can get free same day delivery, and anything else that you need to know will be in the description down below. But a great, you know, last minute way of gifting a fragrance lover out there, or maybe gifting yourself. Let me know in the comments down below any fragrances you would recommend, anything you think I need to take with me into 2025. Let me know all of that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.